Today we're making what I like to call a perfectly sweet buttercream. It's a hybrid between Swiss meringue and American, and it's so delicious. We start by combining a half a cup of pasteurized egg whites and 3.5 cups of powdered sugar. We're going to whisk that together on a low speed until everything is combined. Then we're going to increase the speed to high and mix for 5 to 10 minutes until we reach stiff peaks like this. It's not going to be quite as stiff as a classic meringue, but they should be able to stand up on their own. Then we swap out our whisk attachment with our paddle attachment, and we're adding 3 sticks of room temperature butter. This frosting comes together so much more quickly if your frosting is properly at room temperature, but if it's not, it might break or become kind of lumpy at this stage. But either way, don't worry, just keep mixing on a medium speed once all that butter is mixed in, and your frosting should become fluffy and smooth like this in 5 to 10 minutes. Then we add in 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and a half a teaspoon of fine salt, and we continue to mix until combined. I like to also stir by hand for a few minutes at the end just to get our frosting super smooth. This frosting is amazing for piping on cupcakes, cakes, even wedding cakes. This frosting is seriously such a crowd pleaser, you have to try it. The recipe is linked in the video description, and until next time, happy baking!